Hello dear students, today we are going to explain chapter number 15, exercise 15.1 from NCERT. Now question number 1. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. Okay, the graph shows here. So first of all we have to read the graph. The graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital versus time. Okay, so the temperature are given in y-axis and the time will be given in x-axis. So according to the graph, at 9 a.m. the point shows here. So according to the graph, this point shows at 9 a.m. it will be 35.5 centigrade, 35.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So at this point it is 10 a.m. and this will be 36 degrees centigrade. So at 10 a.m. the temperature of patient will be 36 degrees Celsius. Okay. Similarly, at this point, at 11 a.m. this point shows 39 degrees Celsius. Similarly, at this point, at 12 noon, the temperature of patient will be 39 degrees Celsius. Similarly, at this point, at 1 p.m. the temperature of the patient will be 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, sorry, 36.5 degrees Celsius. When we draw a dotted line here, we can get 36.5 degree. In between 36 and 37, this is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Similarly, at this point, this is also at 2 p.m. the temperature will be 36.5 degrees Celsius. Now at this point, at 3 p.m. the temperature will be 38 degrees Celsius. Okay, so these are the explanation. Now question number A part. So what was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So simply we can see here, this is 1 p.m. So just draw a dotted line here. So this will be dotted line at 1 p.m. Okay, so this point we can meet here. Now again draw a dotted line at y-axis. So it will be at that point. Now at 1 p.m. what is the temperature of a patient? In between 36 and 37. This is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature of patient at 1 p.m. will be 36.5 degrees Celsius. So now the answer will be 36.5 degrees Celsius. Now this is A part. Next B part. Now B part, when was the patient temperature 38.5 degrees Celsius? Now we can see here, this is 38 and this is 39. In between, this is 38.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so just draw a dotted line here from this point. So we can get the dotted line will meet at this point. Now again, draw a dotted line on y-axis. So it will be okay, so at 38.5 degrees Celsius, the time will be 12 noon. Okay, so at 12 noon, the temperature of patient will be 38.5 degrees Celsius. Now we can write the answer 12 noon or 12 p.m. we can say. Okay, so this will be the answer. Now next one, question number C. Question number C part. The patient's temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? Okay. So the patient temperature same at 2 times. So what was the time? So these 2 temperatures are same. So this is 36.5 in between 36 and 37. This is 36.5 degrees Celsius. So at 36.5 degrees Celsius, there are 2 dots. So one dot at 1 p.m. and second will be at 2 p.m. Okay. So at 1 p.m. and at 2 p.m. at both time the temperature will be same, that is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the question is what were these 2 times? Okay. The answer will be at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. the temperature 36.5 will be 36.5 degrees Celsius. Now this is the answer. So at 1 p.m. and at 2 p.m. the temperature will be same. So this is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So this was the question number C. Now next question number D. Now question number D. What was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? So simply what is given at 1:30 p.m. we have to tell what is the temperature of patient. So at 1:30 p.m. so this is 1 p.m. and this is 2 p.m. So in between them this is 1:30 p.m. Okay. So just draw a dotted line. So this dotted line means at that point. So at that point, what is the temperature? 36.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So the answer will be 36.5 degrees Celsius. Okay. So it's very easy. Now next question number E. So the E part, during which period did the patient temperature show an upward trend? Okay. So we have to state at which temperature, at which time period of the temperature will be, at which time period the temperature will be in upward trend. Okay, so see here, see the graph. This line is an upward trend and this line is also towards upward trend. Okay, and these three lines are, these 1, 2. These two lines are downward trend and this will be constant trend and this will be also upward trend. Okay. So what we have to find, during which period did the patient temperature show an upward trend. Okay. So this line is an upward trend. So at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay. So the first will be 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. And the other will be this line segment. So this is 10 a.m. to, this one is 11 a.m. Okay. So now next one is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay. So at these two interval of time, the line segment trend to upward. Okay. So it's very simple. Now this was the expression of E part. Now next F part. Now question number 2. The following line graph shows the yearly sales figures for manufacturing company. Okay, for manufacturing company the yearly sales is given here. So sales are at y-axis and years are at x-axis. So first of all we have to read the graph. At 2002 the sales will be 4 crore. Sales which is given in crore. At 2002 year it will be 4 crore. At 2003 it will be increases and it will be 7 crore. In between 6 and 8 it will be 7 crore. Now at 2004 it will be 6 crore. You can see here. Now at 2005 it will be 10 crore. You can see here. Now at 2006 it will be in between 8 and 9, 8 and 10, that is 9 crore. Okay, so at 2006 it will be 9 crore. So these are the explanation of graph. Now just take, I'm going to take questions. So A part, what were the sales in 2002 and 2006? Now at 2002 the sales were 4 crore. Okay, so just draw a dotted line. So at 2002 the sale will be 4 crore. Okay, so here you can write 4 crore. Now second part, at 2006, what were the sale at 2006? Draw a dotted line. So this will be a dotted line. So at 2006, the sale will be 9 crore. Okay, in between 8 and 10 it is 9 crore. Okay, the answer will be 9 crore. So this was the A part. Now next B part. B part, what were the sales in 2003 and 2005? Similarly, at 2003 we have to draw a dotted line. So it will be at 2003 the graphs meet at this point and this shows 7 crore because it is the point in between 6 and 8. So this is 7. So this is 7 crore. So at 2003 the sales were 7 crore. So the first part, that is 7 crore. Now second one is at 2005 we have to see. So at 2005 again draw a dotted line. So this will at 2005 it will 10 crore. Okay. So at 2005 the sales were 10 crore. Now it was part B. Now next part C. Compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. So at 2002 the sale is 4 crore and 2006 it will 8 crore. Okay. So here we have to find the difference. So answer. What is the difference? At 2006 it will 8 crore and at 2002 it will 4 crore. Okay. So 8 minus 4 it will 4 crore. This will be the answer. The difference is 4 crore. Now next question number D part. Question number D. In which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? Okay. So we have to see in which year the difference of sales is maximum. Okay. So we can see here which is the longest line here. So this was the longest line. You can see in this graph. These lines segment are longest line. Okay. So we can see here at this point this is 6 crore and at this point it will 10 crore. Okay. So at this point it will 6 crore and at this point it is 10 crore. So in between these two years the sales will be maximum. Okay. So answer will be at 2004 and 2005 the sales will be maximum. Okay. (2004 to 2005) the sale is maximum. Okay, so this was the complete explanation of question number 2. Now the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3. For an experiment in a botany, two different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their heights were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks, the results are shown by the following graphs. Okay, the question is given here. In a laboratory, two plants are grown, plant A and plant B. Okay, and at y-axis the height of plant is given in centimeter, and at x-axis the weeks are given. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 weeks are. Okay, so the plant A and plant B, both plants were grown together, but as shown in the figure, dotted line shows plant A and the simple line shows plant B. So at plant, we are talking, just read the graph. how can we read the graph? Just see here, dotted line shows plant A. So from starting in first week, the plant A, that is dotted line, this one, in first week it will grow 2 centimeter. After that, in second week, it will grow 7 centimeter, in between 6 and 8. And after the second week, in third week, it will grow 8 centimeter. Okay, I am talking about plant A. Now plant B, from starting in first week, plant B will grow up to 2 centimeter as shown in figure. And after 1 week, in second week, plant B will grow, that is 6 centimeter. You can see here. And in third week, the plant B will grow 10 centimeter. Okay. So this is the graph which is given here. Now the first part of this question. A part, how high was plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? So we can see here, we are talking about plant A. So the dotted line represents plant A. So in after 2 weeks, what is the length of the plant? So this is dotted line. So after 2 weeks, okay. So first week and this is the end of second week. Okay. So after 2 weeks, the dotted line shows here. Just draw a dotted line, another dotted line. So it will if we draw a dotted line, then it will be like this. Okay. So after 2 weeks, the plant A will grow 7 centimeter. Okay, in between 6 and 8, this is 7 centimeter. So the answer will be first, that is 7 centimeter. Now second, after 3 weeks plant A, what is the growth of plant A? So after 3 weeks, that will, this is 3. So just draw a dotted line. So it will, this is plant A. Now again draw a dotted line. So after 3 weeks, the plant A growth is 9 centimeter, in between 8 and 10. That is 9 centimeter. Okay, so this is 9 centimeter. This is the answer. Now next one, that is B part. Now question B part. How high was plant B after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? Okay, so plant B represents simple line. Okay, so after 2 weeks, so this is first, this is second. So after second week, what is the growth of plant? So this one, that is 7 centimeter. Okay. So the first will be answer of first question. That is 7 centimeter. And the second, after 3 weeks, we have to state what is the growth of the plant. So after 3 weeks, the simple line is represented here at this point. So draw another line at y-axis. So this will 10 centimeter. So after 3 weeks, the graph represents 10 centimeter. Okay. So this will be 10 centimeter. And this is the answer. Okay. It's very easy. Now next one, that is C part. C part. How much did plant A grow during the third week? Okay. In third week, that's mean second and third. This is the third week. How much grown plant A? So plant A represents dotted line. So this is plant A. So second to third. So at second week, after second week, the growth was 7 centimeter, and after third week, the growth was 9 centimeter. Okay. So 7 to 9 centimeter. So answer will be 7 centimeter to 9 centimeter. Okay, so this was the answer. Now next part, that is D part. Question number D. How much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of the third week? Okay, the plant B represents simple line. Okay, this is plant B. So after third week, the height of plant will be 10 centimeter. Okay, and after 2 weeks, so this one second week, the growth of plant will be 7 centimeter. So 10 to 7. And what we have to find? How much? That's the difference we have to find. Okay, so 10 minus 7, that is 3 centimeter. This will be the answer. And 3 centimeter, the plant will grow here after 2 weeks to second to third week. Okay, so this was the explanation of question number D. Now the next question number E. E part, during which week did plant A grow most? Okay, so plant A is a dotted line. So what is the longest line segment in plant A in dotted line? So this one. Okay, first week to second week. This is the longest line segment. So in first week to second week, the plant grow most. Okay, so 2 centimeter. Okay, after 1 week it will be 2 centimeter, and after second week it will 7 centimeter. Okay, so 7 minus 2, that is 5 centimeter. So in this period 7 centimeter plants will grow. Okay, so this is the answer, and this was the line segment at which plant A grow most. Now what will be the answer? During which week? First to second week. The answer will be first to second week. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now next one, that is question number F. During which week did plant B grow least? Okay, so plant B represent here in simple line. So from which duration the plant grow least? So see here, in first week the plant grow, that is up to 1 centimeter. Okay, you can see here in first week the plants will grow up to 1 centimeter. Now in second week, after first week to second week, the plants will grow 1 centimeter to this one 7 centimeter. Okay, so this was the, I think this was the highest growth. Now in second week to third week, the plants will grow 7 centimeter to this one, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, 7 to 10, that is 3 centimeter. In third week the plant will grow. Okay, and what was the question? During which week the plant grow least? Okay, so least, that means this one. In first week the plant will grow only 1 centimeter. Okay, so the first week is the answer. In first week the plant will grow least growth. The plant will get least growth, that is up to 1 centimeter only. So we can write answer first week. In first week the plant B will grow least. Okay, this was the answer. Now next one. Now question number G. This is the last question of this question. Last part of the question, that is question number G. Were the two plants of the same height during any week shown here? Specify. Okay. So these two plants, plant A and plant B, at which week these two plants get same height? So see here, at that point the two graphs will meet here. Now at this point, after second week, the height of both plants will be 7 centimeter. Okay, so here we can write the answer. Second week, or you can write at the second week, both plants have same height. is the answer. So after 2 weeks, second week, the both plant have same height, that is 7 centimeter. Okay, after 2 weeks. So this was the complete explanation up to question number 3. Now in next video we will discuss rest of the questions. Thank you so much, students.